You had anything to smoke today?
No.
Oh, I think you have.
No, I
So, because next time, don't do it on camera.
haven't.
Yeah, right?
The cigar, yes.
Yeah,
But I
so
should
now you
have-
did have something, didn't you?
but I
Okay,
should-
don't worry about that.
Community dispute resolution programs are a possible resource. The Washington County Dispute Resolution Center can be reached at their phone number of area code 734-794-2125.
This is the one. All right. Okay, how much is owing on his?
Your Honor, the balance is $1,793, which includes $230 in court costs.
Okay, so we're at the same amount. Mr. Tinnon, how are
Yeah.
you gonna get that paid?
SOS is already approved and sent the check out. The check hasn't evidently arrived to the leasing office. So, I spoke to.
Okay, Mr. Tinnon,
Yes,
you had anything to smoke today?
no.
Oh, I think you have.
No, I
So, because next time, don't do it on camera.
haven't.
Yeah, right?
The cigar, yes.
Yeah,
But I
so
should
now you
have-
did have something, didn't you?
But I should-
Okay, don't worry about that. I'm not gonna worry about it right this second. Do you give permission for somebody from SOS to tell us about a payment?
Yes, I do.
Amy?
Your Honor, I can just say that the 1794.94 was paid out on the 4th of November. It looks like they're still waiting for that check to arrive.
Nothing's been. All right, but at least we know that at least the money's there and can be paid over, so we just gotta figure out where the check is. So what I'm gonna do is I'll adjourn this to December 13th, 2024 at 1 PM. And you've got to make sure your December's all taken care of. You hear me, Mr. Tennant?
That's without a given.
What do you say?
That's for sure.
Okay. And next time you want to smoke, do it like long before or after the hearing.
Okay,
Take care.
My apologies.
Have a good holiday. Your name?
It's Antonio Bignon.
Okay. What's his balance currently?
$2,395 with court costs.
Okay, man, how are you gonna get this paid? Have you been to talk to Hawk or anybody?
This past week on Tuesday, I went and filed a SER with the state, and they haven't gotten back to me yet.
Okay, you filed an SER. Did you talk to anybody else?
No, sir.
Why not?
I've reached out to other resources, but
Did you call Hawk to try to see it?
no, sir.
Why didn't you do that?
They have that information.
Huh?
That information,
I give out that information at the beginning of every court proceeding. With phone numbers, ways to everything. How many people are in your house?
it's just me, Your Honor.
Just you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so even if you get that SER, that's only gonna be $410.
Yes, sir.
So
I am
Huh?
working. I am working. I've requested for as much overtime as I can. I just need time.
My notes from the last hearing indicate that Mr. Benson indicated he was gonna pay $1,000 to plaintiff by yesterday. I don't show the payments.
Oh, I do see that. Did you pay them?
I don't have exactly 1,000, Your Honor. I have roughly $700 to my name that I planned on giving.
Okay, young man, why don't you have the 1,000?
My check was not. originally over.
Then why'd you tell me you were gonna pay 1,000?
Yes.
But why did you do that if your check was only 700?
Because, Your Honor, I thought I overestimated.
When's the next time you get paid?
It would be next week. I get paid weekly. So next Friday, Your Honor.
And how much of each paycheck are you putting toward your rent?
I roughly bring home about $600 after taxes.
Okay, and what are you putting forth for your rent?
I would normally.
All right, look, young man, the problem I have here is you told us you're gonna have 1,000.
Yes,
Nothing's been paid toward your rent.
yes,
You haven't taken advantage of the resources and other things that are out there. Even if they say no, you just haven't done anything. I mean, how do you think you're gonna get to maintain your housing?
I just ask for time. All I can do is ask for time. Your Honor. Because
I hear you. However, in that time, you have to do things.
Yes,
And nothing is done. You paid nothing to the landlord, right? You
yes.
paid nothing to them.
And I have.
You haven't, you did an SER, you said you haven't heard back.
Yes.
The other place that may be able to help you haven't even gone to them.
Yes, with my schedule on with my working schedule, because I am on afternoons. I am there.
Look,
For more than
I understand everything you tell me.
Yes,
I'm just saying, I don't mind working with anybody here as long as they're trying to help themselves.
yes,
And I'll do what I can. The landlord will get mad at me for giving people time. But I can't give people time if you're not doing what you gotta do.
absolutely. I understand.
And man, you're gonna have to find a way at least to get this November cleared before the 10th. So
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna issue a judgment to the plaintiff. Total amount $2,395. It's a judgment for possession with a writ date December 10th.
Yes, sir.
So you, young man, understand what that means. What that means is you have to have that 2,400 paid up to the landlord by the 10th of December, or they can evict you.
Yes, sir.
So you can think you're too busy to do something else, but you need to do it now. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you'll need to do it now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.